to Mr. Kenyon's studio. In this video we're going to learn how to play the minor scale, the natural minor scale on root 6, meaning the E string, starting on the E string, and it's 2 octaves. So next to the major scale, the natural minor scale is probably the second most important scale for you to learn, but make sure that you learn your major scale first. So if you don't know your major scales, I'll have a link in the description to the videos I made on the major scales, as well as the playlist for all the guitar lessons. So go ahead and check those out. After you learn your major scales, come back and you can learn the minor scale with me. Alright, so there's actually 2 different fingering to use for the natural minor scale. I use this fingering where you have to shift up and then back down rather than stretch. So I'm going to show you how to do it both ways, but I'm going to start with the fingering that I normally use. Okay. So again, we're starting on low E string bass, and we're going to start on the 5th fret on an A. So the fingering is 1, 3, 4, next string, 1, 3, 4, next string, 1, and you would go to where you would normally play 3, but except you're going to use 4 instead of 3 there, because we're going to shift our whole hand up. Now our first finger should be lined up with the 4th fret instead of the 5th fret. Next string, 1, 2, 4, and then we're going to move back down to the 5th fret. Next string, 1, 2, 4, next string, 1. This is the octave, or the root here. So you're going to stop there if you're practicing the circle of fifths. You can keep going to 3 and 4 if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to play it again slowly. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, where 3 would be. 1, 2, 4, move up. 1, 2, 4, 1. And again, make sure you can do it descending. Okay, so that's that fingering. The other fingering is where instead of going to the pinky here, you're gonna go to the 2nd finger and stretch up to the pinky here. So everything else is the same. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Here's the change. 1, stretch up 2, and then stretch up pinky. 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 4, 1. That's the alternate fingering. Okay, so be on the lookout for the root 5 version of this scale, and happy practicing.